Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encountered 0x8007003b, an unexpected network error, then watch this video for the solution. So the first thing we'll do is we will run an SFC scan. For that we will open command prompt and then right click on it and click on run as administrator. Then we will enter the command sfc space /scannow and press enter. Now I'm not pressing enter because it will take a long time to scan and will prolong the length of this video. And the next command I'll use after the SFC scan is done is the chkdsk space /f space /r and press enter. And we'll press Y and we'll press enter again. We'll wait for the scan to finish. In the meanwhile, we will do a system cleanup. So we'll go to disk cleanup here in the search bar and we'll press cleanup system files. OK. And this will clean up the system files. Then we will make sure all these boxes are checked and click OK and click on delete files. Now once it is done, we'll wait for it to be done. We'll wait for the check disk scan to be done, and once it is done, we will restart the system by clicking on the start button, clicking on the power button, and then clicking on restart. Now normally this error should no longer show, but if it does, then we need to do a system restore. For that we will go to recovery, click on recovery, click on open system restore, click on next, and then if you have created a restore point, then we can click on it here, and then we can click on next and click on finish, and it will restore your system to a previous point where this error was not to be seen. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.